Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are at Rajgarh Fort. This was the first capital of Maratha kingdom before Raigad, and now we are at the height of 1373 feet from sea level. Now we are at the base village of Rajgarh Fort, and from here we are going to start our trek. It will take 2 to 3 hours depending on our speed, and it counts as a medium to hard level trek. Already 8:30 हो गया है, सो लेट नहीं करते हैं और जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना ट्रेक. It's been 1 hour since we have started our trek. 1 more hour to go. You can see the fort behind me. Yeah, that's the fort. So we are going there now. We visited Rajgarh Fort last year, but that time we could not explore the whole fort. So we are again here. This time we will try to explore the whole fort.
Rajgarh Fort, the literal meaning ruling fort, is situated in Pune district, 60 km away from Pune city. This fort was built on a hill called Mountain of the Goddess Morumba, and this fort was completely built and fortified by the treasures discovered from Torna Fort.
Now we are at the starting of Rajgarh Fort, and it took exactly 2 hours to reach here. Now we are going to explore the whole fort. We will go to the topmost point of this fort, and it will take 1 hour more. So let's continue the trek.
Rajgarh Fort was the capital of Maratha Empire for 26 years before Raigad Fort, and this is the fort where Shivaji Maharaj stayed for the highest number of days on any fort. Rajgarh Fort was also one of the 17 forts that Shivaji Maharaj kept when he signed the Treaty of Purandar. There are 3 machi or wings on this fort, that is Padmavati Machi, Suvela Machi and Sanjeevani Machi. This fort offers such a nice view from the top. You can see many forts like Torna, Raigad, Sinhagarh, Lingana and many more. There are 2 base villages for this fort. One is Gunjavane village and the other one is Pali village. From Gunjavane village you will come up to Chor Darwaza, and from Pali village you will come up to Pali Darwaza.
Now I'm at the fort and you can see the Bali Killa behind me. So now we are going there. This is the Bali Killa, the main fort or the main palace, and there is the Suvela Masjid, the another wing, but the connecting road is different. So first we will visit the Bali Killa, then if time permits, then we will go to the Suvela Masjid.
The trail to Bali Killa is very steep, but there are ropes tied for trekker safety.
We have reached the topmost point of Rajgarh Fort, the Bali Killa. You can see the ruined structure of Bali Killa behind me. Yes, now we are standing at once capital of Maratha Empire.
Rajgarh Fort is now in ruined condition and it consists of palaces, water cistern, temples, Queen Saibai Samadhi and caves. This is one of the most preferred tourist destinations, especially during monsoon. Visitors prefer to stay overnight on the fort as the fort itself is huge and cannot be explored in a single day. People use the temples on the fort to stay at night. The Padmavati temple on the fort can accommodate around 50 people and the water cistern provide fresh water to drink. This fort is one of the best hikes near Pune. If you love trekking or nature or history or old architecture, then you must visit this place as Rajgarh has so many things to offer you. So this was our one-day hike to Rajgarh Fort. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to share it with your friends and also like, share and subscribe to our channel.